very bottom right hand corner of the YouTube video slug, it's called. It looks like a square with some breaks in it. If you hover over that, it will say full screen. Click it. Hopefully this will be big enough for you to do. Basically this is a little technical and it's a bit of a trick. WordPress isn't good at certain things and this is one of them, but I found a workaround for you. You know, just this acne, adult acne as a what do you call it, a section has only got articles about acne. Yeah, 2 of them are mine. I've just put them in acne third post, acne second post. You need to delete those because there's just Alice in Wonderland text in that, but I had to create a certain amount because we're going to show 3 posts. So this is basically what I suggest you do, possibly only in the widgets. Come down to widgets, possibly just because you don't want too much going on the page, maybe do a post count of 2, and if I do save and go back, that should have brought it down a bit. While you haven't got a lot of articles, I think 2 actually works quite well. You can change them obviously if you've got, you know, larger amounts of anti-aging and you think that's a big seller, then put more in. Okay, so this is how it works. It doesn't work by category name. What you have to do is give it a number, and this is how you find out what the ID number or the category number is for acne. So here we go, clinic, dashboard, yeah? Well, it'll be your site title up there. Where it says categories here, can you see that I'm wiggling my cursor around? Hit categories. Now, what you want to watch, can you see my cursor? Hopefully it's going. You want to watch down at the very bottom left hand corner of your browser. I'm using Safari. I don't know if you've got a Mac or what you're using, but let me know if this doesn't work on your browser, and I'll have a go on. I don't have a PC, so I'm not sure what you're using. My wife does, possibly. I can use hers. Anyway, let's have a look. So when I go over acne, see I hover over acne, I can't now move my mouse. I just want you to put your mouse over the edit of where it says acne as a category. Oops, till it becomes like a link, yeah? It goes red. Now cast your eyes down to the bottom left hand corner in that very thin grey line, and you'll see this iridology.excelwebsites.com/, big long, this is called a URL. Now where it goes to category plus tag ID equals 14. 14 is what we really want to know here. 14. So if I go down to anti-aging, hover over that, you know, WordPress category and tag ID 7 for anti-aging. Yeah, so 7 is the keyword. So appearance widgets. Acne is up here. Post count to category 14. Now that means it's only going to take stuff from that. If you put in acne in there, it's not going to work. It has to be a number, yeah? And if I go to anti-aging, I think I put it in, it's category 7. I'm going to reduce the post count to 2 because I personally think it looks better, but increase it if you want, it's your website. If I go back now, I look for anti-aging. I've changed the title of that, by the way, sorry. You'll have to go through all this, making sure. They're probably, I don't know if there's enough anti-aging. Let's go back here, refresh. Anti-aging's got 1. Let's have a look at dashboard, categories, anti-aging, beauty. It says it has 3. Let's go back to the widget and increase it again and just see what happens. Anti-aging, I'll put it back to 3. Hopefully I got that right. It's displaying 2. Maybe this is just catching up with itself. It's got 2 there. Right. That's a bit of a, I don't know, but the good news is I think what we need to do is identify, get you into the habit of being able to identify the numbers. If it's struggling to produce the numbers that you're putting on, you might just have to just do a workaround in terms of just changing the numbers till you get what you want. So for example, I want to do, I can't pronounce that, skin conditions, dashboard. I look for categories. I go down to skin conditions. I know there's 3 in there. Edit, hover over, read the big long line. It's got number 6. So if I go now to my widgets, what did I say it was? Skin conditions, page sidebar, right, skin conditions, it was number 6. So don't put the category, put the number, press save. There, and it's doing 3. What I suggest you do is just do this one on your own. I can't pronounce it. Psoriasis. Well, sorry about that. So make sure you've got enough articles in there on psoriasis. Well, I'm not going to bother. I'm not in your field, so psoriasis. You've only got 1, so write 1 more article at least on that, or 2 if you can, and then hover over edit and come down to the bottom, and then find out what the number is. Go into widgets. And go down to there and put your number in there instead of the word post count 2. You need at least another 1 article on that, or you could just put that down to 1 and put the number if you just want to keep on 1. But that's basically how you would manage these. Not quite sure why our anti-aging is only giving us 2. I maybe just dig around, but anyway, I think I've solved the problem for that. If there's any sort of other little bugs like this, or if you what I suggest you do is go down to all of your anti-aging posts and just double check that they're all tagged. Anti-aging, it says there's 3. Go down to your posts. Categories, anti-aging. So there's 3 here. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know why it's not displaying 3. Possibly in widgets you might want to move the actual things around. So possibly if we do anti-aging first, see what happens there. It's still only displaying 2. Maybe you should just restrict it to 2, or I don't know. Anyway, see how you get on with the last one, and then I guess I'll contact the hosting provider. I believe you emailed me that a few days ago, and I'll see what I can do about sorting out the hosting. Could you? Yeah, that's it. I'll find out what's happening with your email and whatnot, and see what can be done. Okay, hope you're well, and that video is helpful, and website's looking great. So yeah, pat on the back all round. Thanks a lot. Cheers, bye.